Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's Keshwani, Keshwani. In these clips that you're going to find on the YouTube, I'm going to solve math problems from the SATs. The book that you need to purchase in order to follow my work, in order to follow the problem, is this book right here that I'm holding in my hand. It's called the Official SAT Study Guide. This is what you need. There are eight exams in this book. I'm going to try to solve as many problems as I can from each of the exams. Today, I'm working on problem which appears in exam number 1, section number 3, page 398, question number 12. So let's get going here. After watching the clip, if you find that it is helpful and that you would like to purchase the whole CD, which has problems of 1 hour CD containing the solution to most of the problem in a given section, whatever I can put in 1 hour. If you wish to purchase the CD without any interruptions, solutions one after the others, get hold of me through my website. Email me through the website, which is www.prepforsat.com. Let's get going. The problem that we're looking at is problem number 12 on page number 398. It says the table above shows some values for the function f. If f is a linear function, what's the value of a plus b? Well, f is a linear function. What does it mean? Here's your x and here's your f of x. 0, 1, 2, a, 24, and b. F is a linear function. What does it mean? It means, you should know this thing, I hope you do, it means that the slope is constant, it's a straight line. It's a straight line because which means that it always goes up in the same increment. So for example, when x is 0, let's start with 0 here. For example, when x is 0 and if y happens to be 10, which is the value of the function f of x, which is the value of the function, this is your y, which is the value of the function at a given value of x. And I hope these basic things you already know, because I don't have a luxury of explaining every little thing here, because otherwise we'll be sitting here for 6 months taking the whole semester of the math course. But I'll explain as much as I can. So the value of the y value is the value of the function at a given value of x. So here, for example, f of 0 is 10. This is your f of 0. When x equals 0, x equals 10. So let's put it here. But my point is, it doesn't matter what it is, whether it starts at 10 or whether it starts with 0, whether it starts at 15 or 20 or negative number. The point is, when I go up 1, it goes up to 24. When x equals 1, it goes up to 24. It goes up to 24. Well, if that's the case, then when x is 2, it should go up by how much? It should again go up by same value as did before. When x was 0, the value of y was 10. When x is 1, is 24, it increased of 14, it should go up by 14 again. Well, what is 24 plus 14? 24 plus 14 looks like it's 38. So this guy is 38. So if I start with the value of the function being 10 when x is 0, then this is 10 plus 14, and the next guy is going to be 24 plus 14. 24, and this guy becomes 38. What is the question asking? Question asking what's the value of A and B? This is your A, this is your B. Well, what's the value of A and B? Right here. B is 38, A is 10. The value is 48. Now you might say, well, what happens if you start with a different number? That's what I'm trying to explain to you. It doesn't matter what it is. Because it's a linear function, the value of the function has to go up by the same increment all the time. So I'm going to erase the graph here. You don't want to deal with this thing. Let me explain to you in a simple way as to what's going on. Let's say you start with 0. Well, if you start with 0, then from 0 to 1, when x goes from 0 to 1, y goes from 0 to 24, increase of 24, then when you go from 1 to 2, there should be increase of 24 again. It will be 48. 24 plus 24. As you can see, A plus B is 48. What if we started out with I forgot what I did before. What if we started out with just 6? Just make it up. 6. That's an increase of 18. So again, to go to this number, I need an increase of 18. Well, let's see. What is 24 plus 18? Looks like 32. Is that right? 42, which makes sense. Which makes sense because, again, this is the increase of 18. Again, you see, the value of this guy and this guy is 48. Why is that the case? Why is the value of A and B always the same? Well, let me explain to you in a more arithmetic way, if you like. You see, this is 24, isn't it? We were told that value of the function is 24 when x is 1. Well, the value of the function when x is 0 is 24 minus some constant fixed number, because it's a linear relationship. It goes up by the same increment each time. And the value of the function when x is equal to 2 is again 24 plus some constant. You see? It was negative 4 minus k, it became 24 because it went up by the k, the value of the k, whatever that is. Here it went up again by k. So if you're looking for the values of A and B, what happens? It drops out. And you end up with a 24 plus 24, 48. You see? Exactly. For example, if before, when x is 0, it was 24 minus 5, and went up to 25, which means if it were 24 minus 5, it went up to 24 at 1, which means it went up by 5. Well, it can go up by 5 again. What's going to be the value of this guy and this guy? Well, it's going to be 48. You see it? That's all. Nothing to sweat about. Listen, I hope you find this clip helpful. And if you would like to purchase the whole CD, the DVD, please get hold of me. Send me an email through the website, prep4sat.com, or you can give me a call on the phone number, which is 1-800-808-PREP. Give me a call and I will take care of you. Alright? Thank you for watching.